They tied me up, put a gun to my head.
52 hostages, 444 days. America's first battle with militant Islam.
Down. We'll hear all of us soon.
You've got your restaurants around your neighborhood, air conditioning in your house, you've got a cell phone, good schools around, running water. Everything is fine. You're very, very comfortable, air conditioning. And you take a look here and you're ready to pick up your protest sign and go down and protest Donald Trump and everything going on in the Middle East. Let me remind you of something. A professor who was from India told me this years and years ago. 80% of the world understands two things: an empty stomach and the end of a gun. We are protected here. You've seen photos, images of people with bowls in Gaza Strip trying to get rice, anything to eat because they're starving. You see destruction. The reason Iran just agreed to a ceasefire is because our gun was bigger than theirs was. We destroyed their nuclear capabilities. They've never seen anything like it. An empty stomach and the end of a gun. So while you sit down and discuss how idiots are running our government, how things are bad, how we must be nice to everybody, just remember, they want to kill us. They don't care, but they won't, because our gun is bigger than theirs is. Watch the Howdy Boomy Show. Go to howdyboomy.com. God bless you. God bless America.